Hey, what's up everybody? Top Shelf Tesla back with another quick accessory review. And today I'm going to be reviewing the DEDC rear seat protector covers. So these are going to go over your plastic shell seat backs, give you an extra pocket, a little layer of protection. So we're going to give these DEDC seat covers a shot. And we'll have a link for you in the description if you'd like to try them out. And if you like this content, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I always love helping the community out. And now let's get into the unpackaging. Okay, so your unpackaging is very simply you have two seat covers come in this plastic wrap. They are rolled up, so my suggestion is if you are going to be installing them, to let them air out a little bit and maybe lay them flat on the floor inside the house. If you're unable to, I don't think it's going to make a big deal because it is going to get stretched down the back of the seat rather, and it does have tensioning on the bottom, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. I just got these in yesterday, so I want to try them out. So the packaging is very simple. Came in a box. There's two seat covers in the package. This is how it looks. I have one already out. So this is what the seat back protector looks like. And what I'll do is I'll just try and hang it up here on the back of the seat so you can kind of get an idea of the quality. Alright, so before we do the actual install, let's take a look real quick at the build quality and some of the features that this seat back protector has. So it is let's see if I zoom in, it's almost like a carbon fiber finish. It's a woven finish. It's got some nice texture to it. I definitely like this finish as opposed to the leather finish on the back here. Um, this protector, the leather it's not the greatest of qualities, and because of that, it doesn't have much durability. This I feel like will go a longer way. So you do have three pockets on this seat back protector. So you have a smaller one here, two equal size ones, and then you have a larger like map pocket or something. There is some red stitching along the pockets. I'm not crazy about that. You guys follow my channel, you know I'm all about purple, light purple. But it's not the end of the world. I do like the extra pockets though, especially with if you have like an iPad or something for your kid. They could put one in here, a charger here, and then you can put some other accessories in there as well. If we check now going down, there is a branding on here. It's like a silkscreen branding. Uh, that that does bother me. I don't like the branding on the back of the seats. And then at the bottom here, you do have your tensioning hooks. So this will wrap underneath the seat and get this nice and tight. So I do like the quality of this. It's actually really nice. The durability is definitely going to be a lot better than the leather cover that I have on the other seat. So let's go ahead and get this installed and see how it looks.
Okay, for the seat back cover install, we're going to begin by hanging the top over the top portion of the plastic shell. And there is a lip that is around the cover. We're going to tuck that lip around the shell. You should not need a pry tool or anything other than your hands to get this wrapped around. Just simply take the lip, pull it away, and tuck it underneath on the back side of the shell. And you could start at the top. Make sure that's nice and snug because you're going to be pulling as you go along. And now you're going to take the lip and just pull apart and tuck it behind. The seam of the cover should be lined up with the outline of the shell. When you get towards the bottom near the armrest, it's going to be a little tougher to get that piece tucked in. If you have to go in the front seat, you can. You shouldn't have to, but just do your best to get around the bottom of that shell and in between the armrest and the chair. And once you get the bottom piece in, it should automatically follow suit and fall into place. So you can see the seam is all lined up. We're going to go to the other side of the chair and we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to take the lip You want to move that seatbelt forward first, make sure it's out of the way. And we're going to begin just doing the same thing we did on the other side, taking that lip and tucking it around the plastic shell of the seat back. And this side should be a little easier because you don't have the armrest in the way. And you can see everything lines up nice and flush. Good tight fit. You want to make sure that there's no gaps, nothing is sticking out, everything is lined up. Those creases should come out with a little bit of heat and weather changes. They're just from shipping, but that should be fine. I'll check on them in a few days and update if I need to. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to move on to the underside of the chair where we're going to fasten the two elastic bands to the bottom of the seat to get that tension. All right, once we get to the underside of the seat, you can see the two leather straps are protruding out towards the bottom. And what we need to do, and it's difficult to film this because it's such a tight space, but I want to try and at least give you an idea. You want to stretch that elastic band. Now you see the one that's there, that's from the seat back itself. And now we're going to go right over the top with the new seat cover. And any one of those coils from the bottom of the seat would be sufficient to hook onto. Doesn't matter which one, as long as the tension is good, you're fine. There's no specific one. So we got the left side on there. You can see the hook is fastened to the seat coil. And now we're getting the right one on. And we're going to do the same thing. And again, it does not matter which one. As long as you have good tension, then you're all set there. And again, I apologize for the angle, but it's very difficult to film this with the phone laying flat and not being able to see. So we got those in there good. And now you can see the seat back is nice and tightly fastened. There's no buckling, no bowing. It's a nice tight fit. And we're going to push that down there on the sides. Make sure that's lined up. And you can see the seams all line up beautifully. Nice tight fit. Perfect. All right, so now it's time for my final review. So installation took about maybe 5 to 7 minutes per chair. I do recommend positioning this seat as far forward as you can and as high as you can off the ground so that you can get those clips underneath, and you can also have enough room to work around and stuff the sides of the chair. Fit and finish wise, aside from these couple little creases, which I think are just shipping related, the fit and finish is great. The carbon fiber woven texture is really nice. It is soft. It does have some extra padding on it. I can see if the kids kick this, it's not going to get marred or scuffed. It should be pretty easy to wipe down and clean with like a magic eraser or something like that. I do like the pockets that it comes with. A lot of extra storage on the seat back as opposed to the other leather ones that I showed. I don't like the logo here. I definitely recommend these seat backs from DEDC. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. They are available on Amazon, so if you have Prime, you will get free Prime shipping with these, and you'll get them in about 2 days. And check out DEDC. They have a lot of other products for Tesla Model 3, Model Y. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And check us out for more content. We have a lot more coming down the pipe.